Hello, today we will see what is Google Workspace automation and how you can use it in your business. So let's start with the Google Workspace. Google Workspace is a tool that includes the wide range of apps that can be used on in your business, and it's super easy to use, so anyone can use it. So some of the apps are Gmail, Spreadsheet, Drive, and the Form. Most of people doesn't know about Google Workspace automation, even though they are paying for it. So let's see how you can automate your business in one possible way. Okay, suppose you are running a salon business and you want to build like appointment system for your customers, but you cannot afford any huge fancy systems to build. So we will be using the spreadsheet, forms, and Gmail to automate the appointment system, and you can do it yourself too. Find the link of this spreadsheet into the video description, and you have to go to the file menu and make a copy of this spreadsheet. So while copy being generated, I will explain. uh, Suppose you will give a customer a link of the form, Google form. They fill the form and they submit the form, and you will receive those data into the spreadsheet, and script will send the automated email to the customer, and your manager or staff will also get the email notification, so they know that they have booking on some day or time. Okay, so here from tools menu we will create a form. You can create your own form, like you can add any questions do you want. I will start with the email because this is important, because we are going to send the emails to the customer. Second is name, third one is a date of appointment, and fourth one is time. Yeah, let's keep those four for now. And yes, you can add questions as yourself and as needed. Okay, so we will preview the form. Okay, email name, date, and time. That's fine. So now getting back to the spreadsheet, you will find one form responses sheet over here, and it will have timestamp, email name, date, and time, the four questions we have added into the form. And now this is the config sheet. So here you can adjust the things, like you can configure subject, body, BCC, and you can choose whether to send email or not when user submits the form. And also this is the placeholders we have used. For example, we have like a name in the question, so we'll use that name in the subject by this way. Okay. You can write questions in between these brackets, and script will replace them and add original data to it. Like again with this, I will add name. We will customize this message as we are salon business. Your appointment date is like, and we will add time also, like time. Thank you. Number one saloon. Okay, in the BCC you can add your manager or staff, whoever want to receive the notification about the appointments, and you can choose whether you want to send email or not from here. We will verify those email name, date, and time over here, that we have used the Correct one. Name, date, time, etc. Okay. Okay. So now getting back to the automations part, there will be custom menu over here. If you do not find any menu, you just refresh the spreadsheet and wait for 4 to 5 seconds. You will find the menu here. We have built a basic script for you, so you can send emails. So you have to authorize that script. It will ask for the emails permission and spreadsheet permission. So it can send email on your behalf. Okay, then you have to start the script. Okay, right now whenever your customer submits the form, it will trigger the script, and script will send emails to you and manager and the customer. So I will start with my email address. I will choose today's date, time of 4 p.m. and I submit the form. So here you will get one entry, and let me check my inbox. See, script has sent the email as I am customer. Hello Smith, your appointment date is this and time is this. And thanks, number one saloon. So this way you can automate your part of the business by automatic sending the email to the customers when form is submitted, and you can also notify your staff or managers about the appointment. So you can try it yourself with help of this appointment booking template spreadsheet. And if you have any questions, you can put down that in comments. And yes, we can add many functionalities as we need it, and we can discuss it in the comments if you want.